I'm back!
Oh,
Ready to go?
yeah.
Oh, turn that up! That's one of my favorite songs! This is Alex's favorite song. He's got another ringtone.
If I hear it one more time with this phone, I'm going to go nuts.
Can I put baby girl away from the dance with her?
I know. It's our morning ritual to get happy.
Oh, working all this energy. Took the vitamin C!
So did I. 2 days ago. So proud of myself.
Here, I'm a minion! I'm a minion! I'm a minion!
You could be a minion.
I'm short it up.
Alright, let me get my stuff.
Maybe we should play hooky today.
Don't tell me.
We're gonna play hooky, leave the guys do their thing.
Alright. No, it's Slurpee day. We gotta have our Slurpee. I don't want my
Yeah. Let's go get the Slurpees.
I want my Slurpee.
Then we'll go get the materials.
Right, and then we'll go.
to see the guy.
We should go see the guys first so we can catch a candy before he leaves.
Yeah, let's go. Alright. Shut the music off.
Alright.
Damn, I thought we were gonna goof off today.
No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be the Grinch today.
Oh,
I'm the Grinch.
Sue.
I'm a Grinch today. Only because
You a Grinch?
Me a Grinch.
Yeah,
Because-
Only when it comes to telling the guys what they do gotta do.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because I know what close in the week, and I know what bills have to be paid. And I know we have to be workers today. We have to be busy bee workers. All right.
Take
That's
this
yours.
down.
That's yours.
Oh, just forget that. And don't sit on it again, right?
No, please don't sit on it again.
Alright,
Please, I saw that.
take my juice out of here before
Got
I
it?
spill it.
All right, I got
Alright,
this.
let's close this
Let's
office
close-
up for the day
Shut
and
it
bring it
down.
out to the road.
You got it, and we will do that.